Market outlook for this week by Precise Trader.
Hello everyone, this is Raju C again from Precise Trader, and we have the market outlook for the week 20th July to 24th July. Do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future performance. The content on this workshop is mainly educational purpose, and the user information is entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of any trade with your broker. In Precise Trader, we provide a lot of services, and these are the key services which we provide. We provide live signals on 40 crosses, 4 metals, and 15 CFDs. We also provide a daily trend reports whereby it tells us the trend directions on different time frame, and we will provide analytical reports, price level alerts, live workshops, and online webinar whereby we have twice a week live trading, Wednesday and Friday. And we also have proprietary trading, social trading, consultation, and professional trader mentoring. Of course, our main focus is live trade signals, and we provide 5 types of signals. They are scalping, day, swing, momentum, and news. And do take note that if you open a live account with any of our partners through us, and if you fund it minimum of 1,000 US, you will be getting 1 signals for free. The economic calendar, the key data that is out next week is Monday we have China loan prime rate. Tuesday is Aussie RBA meeting minutes and Canadian core retail sales. Wednesday is Australian retail sales and core CPI, Canadian core CPI, and USD existing home sales and crude oil inventories. Thursday we have Japan holiday and we have from the US initial jobless claims. Friday again we have Japan holiday, and we have the pound retail sales, Euro German manufacturing PMI, pound composite PMI, manufacturing PMI, and services PMI. And lastly, we have US new home sales on Friday. The previous trade outlook comparison. Okay, last week we have given a call on all these 5 crosses, and these are the results. Euro, the Friday close was 114.30, and our call was in the range between 112.40 and 114.90, and the actual trading range was between 112.95 and 114.50, and we have given a great goal for this, and this is almost perfect to our call. It's just that it was a variance of about 40 pips up and down. Pound Friday close was 125.70, and the previous week our call was 125.62, 128.15, and actual market traded was 124.80 and 126.70. So this is also as expected. Excuse me, it's within the range, and but we missed the target because we were a bit optimistic, but it didn't reach the target, and of course we got goal for this. Dollar yen, excuse me, Friday's close was 107.05, and our call was between 106 figure and 109.15. The actual market traded was 106.60 and 107.45. In fact, this dollar yen was very tight range, and it was very narrow than expected, but it's within the range which we indicated. So we got a silver for that. Aussie dollar Friday close was 69.95, and previous week our call was between 68.70 and 70.70. Actual market traded was 69.20 to 70.40. And we got a goal for this, and this was also almost perfect, and we just missed the target by 30 pips. Canadian dollars, Friday close was 35.80, and the range we have given was 136.70 to 133.20. And in fact, we were in the right direction. In fact, actually the market traded was 136.50 to 135. And this is also, we got gold, and we missed the target. I mean, it didn't move to our expectation, but we were right in the direction and range. The expectation outlook for the week 20th July to 24th July. Okay, we expect a continued range trading on pound USD, dollar yen, and dollar CAD, but a potential dollar weakness for euro USD and Aussie US. Okay, we believe that euro and Aussie dollar may break out higher, but should be limited. We may see spot gold break higher if 1820 breaks, otherwise it still continue in a range. So in other words, next week we are also expecting a tight range and a range trading. So we are not very optimistic on any breakout, any big move. Even the euro and Aussie breaks, okay, we feel that it is limited. And the trade outlook for the week 28th July to 24th July. Euro USD, okay, the trend directions we feel is limited up, and the price action is telling us that if it breaks 11450, then we may see the price moving higher towards 11570. But if it breaks 11370, then we may see 11270. So the critical levels are 11450 and 11370. So if 11450 breaks, we may see higher. 11370 breaks, we may see lower. Next week range, we are expecting somewhere between 11270 and 116 figure. We may see a break higher, but may be limited. So if it breaks 11450, probably we may see a spike up, but eventually we expect the price to move down. Pound USD, the trend we are looking at is congestion up, and the price action is indicating us if 12635 and 12675 breaks, then we may see the price moving towards 12815. And if 12515 breaks, then we may see the price moving a bit lower towards 12440 and 12405. The critical level we are watching is 12635 and 12515. Overall, the next week range we are expecting somewhere between 12405 and 12740. Range trading is expected. So we are not expecting any big move on this cross, but overall it should be trading within this range. Dollar yen, the trend is congestion. Okay, we are not the direction of the move is not very pretty clear, but on the price action, if it breaks 10750, then we may see the price moving towards 10815 and 10835. And alternatively, if 10660 breaks, then we may see a slightly lower 10615. So the critical level we are watching is 10750 and 10660. Next week range we are expecting somewhere between 10615 to 10835. So in fact we are expecting a very tight range. So we are not expecting any big move, and the maximum is only about 150 pips move. You know, that's we are expecting. Aussie dollar, the trend is congestion up. Price action is telling us if 7040 breaks, then we may see the price moving towards 71.5. And if 6945 breaks, then 6880 may be seen. Critical level we are watching is 7040 and 6945. And next week range we are expecting somewhere between 6880 and 7150. Conclusion is we are expecting limited upside. So if the 7040 breaks, then we may see slightly up, or maybe we may see a spike up, but eventually the market should turn down. Canadian dollars, trend is congestion up. Price action is telling us if it 13625 and 13650 breaks, then we may see the price towards 137.40 and 138.20. The critical level we are watching is 136.25 and 135.05. And the weekly range we are looking at is 135.05 to 138.25. So in other words, next week, dollar CAD, we are only looking one direction, which is the dollar CAD to be weakness. Upside breakout is expected, and we are expecting the price to push higher. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel. And looking forward to see you again next week. Once again, thank you for watching. Goodbye. Thank you.
Please click to subscribe below. Thank you and see you soon.